Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by consolidating SKU, cost, and markup. Make sure your CSV has consistent headers. Once imported via data get and transform, immediately set cost to currency and markup to percentage so calculations behave. You should also trim spaces and remove duplicate SKUs now. This prevents errors downstream. Use text to columns if fields merged, and convert the import to an Excel table with Ctrl+T for dynamic ranges. These steps let formulas and filters work predictably as you build the price list. Next, you add calculated columns to determine selling prices and margins. In the gross price column, use equals cost asterisk, 1 plus markup, so changes to cost or markup update instantly. Then compute final price with tax, equals round, gross asterisk, 1 plus tax percent, 2, or use ceiling / round down to match retail rules. Use conditional formatting to flag margin 10% or QTY less or equal 5 so problems are visible. Once done, convert those formulas into values for export when locking prices. To finish, lock key columns and save separate versions labeled draft, approved, final so you can track changes. Export the approved sheet as CSV or Excel, then run a few sample transactions in your POS or calculator to validate totals and rounding behavior. If numbers look wrong, first check cell formatting, currency versus text, then look for circular references or hidden rows. Use Excel's Evaluate Formula tool to step through complex calculations. This helps you find misplaced parentheses or incorrect.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.